let's go get ready to go to the beach. Come on.
Let's be honest, I don't know how these influencers be doing this. Pack with me, get ready with me. This is hard. I'm not gonna lie. This is not easy. Like, I tried doing this while trying to remember all the things that I needed to carry with me. I honestly didn't even know if I'm gonna make this video, but here we go. I head to the beach because I want to spend some time with my mommy. I haven't seen her in a bit, and she keep on, Jamaican parents, them keep on a call a long time. Me not see me daughter. You have a Caribbean parent, then you know. Right, my best friends and them come out with me, come eat some good. See, the food did alright. I even turn it up. It did alright. Me did think say it would be, superb, but them did outer oysters, and I love my Rockefeller oysters. So my vex, my drive 1 hour and 19 minutes, and them never have my Rockefeller oysters. Both them run out. Or if you run out when you're up on the ocean, I what a fisherman did I do? Anyways, it was